Choi has jumped on this season's most prolific Christmas-related trend with his latest creation, a Lamborghini Huracan covered in 30,000 LEDs. Choi is no stranger to setting trends, as he did something similar last year with his McLaren 720S decked out in Christmas lights to bring in some holiday cheer. However, for the Huracan, he brought things to the next level as the LED array installed on the vehicle can change color and be customized to display specific patterns akin to the Las Vegas sphere. Choi didn't go into much detail about how the LEDs were all synced together, but it appears to be complex, requiring a laptop and other electronics to power and handle it all. The LEDs are stuck on most of the Lambo's body in the wing, save for some areas at the vehicle's rear. It also has an assortment of wiring inside to power all the lights and at least 2 extra batteries. While Choi has been known for crazy cars and stunts, his cars tend to be pretty wild themselves. The LED-decked Lamborghini is still tamer than the exoskeleton rally version of a Huracan that was arguably his most viral work. To celebrate his new Lamborghini lighting setup, Choi sent an invite on Instagram to anybody with a Christmas light setup on their vehicle. 20 people showed up at Choi's event. They went to an undisclosed mountain location where he showcased the Lamborghini in all its LED glory, after a failed attempt. After the grand reveal, they proceeded to shoot a YouTube video with Choi doing donuts in his LED Lambo surrounded by the other vehicles with their Christmas light-up theme. He then let the other participants do donuts within the circle to showcase their build and skill. It appears that this won't be the end for the LED Lamborghini, as another one might be in the works, which will likely be more outlandish and brighter than before.